Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Minecraft in JavaScript. First of all, type in this command. What is it? Right here. Use git. You probably know what it is. I'm not going to explain it. Yes, and then what you do? Make new file, and then hello world.js, and then what you got to do is console.log hello world. Let's save this. Yeah. Now once you've done all that, all be left. Hold on. All there should be left is run the project, and boom, you have Minecraft in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm not going to explain why the some of the icons aren't loading in because I'll tell you in the description. Anyways, bye. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to actually first make sure to check out my um, other tutorial on how you would go about doing this. That I am going to make a series on to. Yes, thank you for watching.